We will be looking at moving up to 4,000 people per day. 4,000 people per day is quite a sizable number of people, and reducing the traffic off the roads. So as we open up some of the infrastructure work in the roads, like I've just talked about Wachumvu, if we move 4,000 people on this corridor, on the train, you'll appreciate that as we open the bridge, reduce the traffic by opening up this link to this station from SGR, will significantly reduce the snarl up and the congestion, and then therefore facilitate the traffic that has to move out of Changamwe on the Great Northern Corridor Road, service in Uganda, Rwanda, all the way. So it's our desire to basically ensure that we are able to see seamless traffic flow, and therefore moving up to 4,000 people per day on this link will really reduce what we see today, really clogging up our roads.